Hey guys, old Iron Will here. Just got home with a small load of some engines I've bought. Got a Fairbanks ZC here. Most of the stuff here is just parts engines, nothing fancy. ZC missing a head, but it does have a magneto on there, good looking pulley. And we have a 3 horsepower, a horse and a half. Not even sure what the tag says on it, but it is a McLeod one. So again, not stuck or anything like that. So, but again, there'll be some usable parts off there. 5 horsepower Hercules EK. A lot of it's missing, stuff like that. So not a lot on there. Some interesting skids they'd built for it. 3 horsepower Fairbanks ZA. So again, be a few parts that I can scrounge off that. So if you guys are looking for parts, I'm going to be having a bunch of stuff maybe coming up here available. Some coils, some other miscellaneous oil parts, stuff like that. 3 horsepower International M. It is it's not stuck as well. Has a Wico mag on it. Horse and a half one again. So like I say, another horse and a half M there. Again, that'll be a parts one. Remnants of a AC Delco fuel pump on that one, so don't see them all the time, but again, there's the 3 horsepower International M. Again, has a Wico on it. For the most part, these ones are all going to be parts engines, parts donors, stuff like that. So So everybody, this is kind of the rest of today's load. Governor for Fairbanks in there. Head for something. A bunch of old collector buttons. Gear guards. Who knows what all. Igniter there. I believe it's Ford Judson. A bunch of coils. Oiler parts. Advanced Rumley plate there for the engines that were sold in Canada. So again, a bunch more oiler parts. Pulley for an International M. Milk crate, some different magnetos in there. Looks like 3 complete Wico EKs, a partial one there that maybe it's all there too. The cover's off. A couple of Websters in there. Fairbanks Morse. Type J magnetos, some more oiler parts. Some more magneto parts and pieces. Part of a Webster M there. Big Fairbanks R off something. 33 tooth magneto on it. And then this big guy. I don't know much about it. It's a Star Magneto 2-cylinder. So not sure if it came off a big tractor or something like that. Maybe somebody out there knows. If you do, maybe put something in the comments for me. Anyways, that's first load of many to come. I bought a package of about 75 to 80 engines. Not all of them are rough like this. Just I think if you look and see how muddy the truck and the trailer are. We had well over an inch of rain last night. And about 6 inches of snow as well on top of that after. So my grid road is an absolute soup mess. So I said I just wanted to kind of haul home some of the junky engines today. I was going to use the big trailer and I had a wheel bearing problem with that. So hopefully going to go get another load here. There's going to be quite a few loads that are going to have to come. Like I said, there's 70 to 75 more engines to come, and there's some pretty nice ones in there, and I'll share updates as we're doing this, guys. And thanks again for watching, and we'll talk to you next time.